Why are you visiting China for the new year?
I want to experience the cultural traditions and celebrations firsthand.
Have you been to China before?
No, this is my first time visiting.
What do you know about Chinese New Year?
I know it's the most important holiday in China, celebrated with family gatherings and festive traditions.
How long will you stay in China?
I'll stay for about 2 weeks to enjoy the festivities and explore.
Which cities will you visit in China?
I plan to visit Beijing, Shanghai, and Xi'an.
Have you booked your flights?
Yes, I booked my tickets months in advance to get a good deal.
What documents do you need to travel to China?
I need a passport, a visa, and travel insurance.
What kind of clothes are you packing?
I'm packing warm clothes because it's winter during Chinese New Year.
Do you need to learn some Chinese phrases?
Yes, I've learned a few basic phrases like Happy New Year, Xinyan Kuail.
How will you exchange currency?
I'll exchange money at the airport and use my international credit card.
What is the Chinese New Year called in China?
It's called Chuanjia, which means the Spring Festival.
Why is Chinese New Year important?
It's a time for family reunions, honoring ancestors, and celebrating new beginnings.
What's the animal for this year in the Chinese zodiac?
It's the year of the dragon.
What's a traditional greeting for Chinese New Year?
People say, Gong Shi Fa Cai, meaning, wishing you prosperity.
Why do people wear red during Chinese New Year?
Red symbolizes good luck and is believed to ward off evil spirits.
What is a dragon dance?
It's a traditional performance to bring good fortune during the New Year celebrations.
Will you watch the fireworks?
Yes, I'm excited to see the fireworks display.
What are red envelopes?
They're called hongbao and are given to children and unmarried adults with money inside for good luck.
Are there parades during Chinese New Year?
Yes, many cities have vibrant parades with lion dances and traditional music.
What's the significance of cleaning the house before the New Year?
It's to sweep away bad luck and welcome good fortune.
What foods are special for Chinese New Year?
Dumplings, fish, rice cakes, and spring rolls are popular dishes.
Why do people eat dumplings?
Dumplings symbolize wealth because they resemble gold ingots.
What's the meaning of eating fish during Chinese New Year?
Fish represents abundance and prosperity.
Have you tried Nian Gao, rice cake?
Yes, it's delicious and symbolizes rising success.
Are there any foods to avoid during Chinese New Year?
People avoid porridge and bitter foods as they are considered unlucky.
Will you visit the Great Wall of China?
Yes, it's on my list of must-see attractions.
What's the best place to see lantern displays?
I've heard that the Lantern Festival in Xi'an is amazing.
Are shops open during Chinese New Year?
Many shops close during the first few days, but tourist areas remain open.
Will you take a high-speed train in China?
Yes, I'm planning to take one from Beijing to Shanghai.
What's the weather like during Chinese New Year?
It's usually cold, depending on the region, so I'm prepared for winter weather.